In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF flipbook to Framer in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to integrate interactive PDF materials into your design projects seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to Common Ninja, a platform that offers a variety of widgets, including the PDF flipbook feature we'll be using today. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, it only takes a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find the option to create a new widget. Click on the Create Widget button and a search bar will appear. Type in PDF Flipbook to find the widget we're looking for. Once it appears in the search results, click on Create a PDF Flipbook to begin the setup process. Here's where the fun begins. You can now customize your flipbook. This step is essential to ensure your PDF is presented exactly how you imagined it. Adjust the settings to fit your style and the needs of your project. Take your time to explore the customization options available. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save Changes. This will ensure all your progress is intact. With your PDF flipbook ready and customized to your liking, it's time to integrate it into Framer. You'll need to copy the embed code provided. Simply click on Copy Code and head over to Framer for the next steps. In Framer, open an existing project or create a new one, depending on what suits your needs. Look for the Insert icon in the interface. This icon is your ticket to adding new elements to your project. Click it and then navigate to Utility in the options that are displayed. Under Utility, you'll find the Embed option. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Embed menu on the right. Now, this is where your copied code comes into play. In the Embed menu, click on HTML, and paste the embed code that you copied from Common Ninja. This action will integrate the flipbook directly into your Framer project, allowing you to preview how it interacts with the other elements. Finally, once everything looks perfect and you're happy with the setup, click on the Publish button. This will make your Framer project live, complete with a fully functional PDF flipbook embedded within it. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to add a PDF flipbook to your Framer project. This is a fantastic way to enhance your projects, offering an interactive and dynamic experience for your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more quick and insightful tutorials.